Today's Thursday, March 6th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille steering wheel horn pad restoration for my friend Lamont. Okay, he's had his wheel wrapped in leather, and unfortunately they had painted the spokes and eliminated the electrical continuity without understanding how the steering wheel is supposed to function. So Lamont is purchasing this restored horn pad from me, which I've dyed to match the saddle colored leather wrapping that he's provided. And so this is video number 2 out of a 2-video set where I'm doing the functional validation tests of the horn. And I'm going to go ahead and press, and we see the light bulb coming on down here. Upper right corner, upper left corner, and the bottom again. Okay, so we have a functional validation that we have electrical continuity facilitating actuation of the horn in this beautifully restored horn pad matching the saddle leather wrapping that he's done elsewhere. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.